In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BambooHR to an Authenticator app. By the end, you'll have two-step login setup, which adds a strong extra layer of security to your account by requiring a time-based code from your phone in addition to your password. Start by going to your company's BambooHR login page in a web browser. If you're prompted, sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your personal settings panel. In that menu, find the option labeled two-step login, sometimes shown as two-step or multi-factor authentication, and open it to continue. Inside the two-step login area, you'll see a choice to use an Authenticator app. Click Set Up for the Authenticator app option. This will display a QR code and usually a manual key as a backup. Keep this page open, you'll need it in just a moment. If you don't already have an Authenticator app on your mobile device, download one from your phone's app store. Any reputable option works, such as Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Once it's installed, open the app on your phone and add a new account. Most apps have a plus button or an add account option. Choose to scan a QR code, then point your phone's camera at the QR code on the BambooHR setup page. If scanning doesn't work, you can choose to enter a setup key manually. Just carefully type in the code shown on the screen exactly as it appears. Increasing your screen brightness or holding your phone steady can help if the scan doesn't register right away. After your Authenticator app recognizes the BambooHR account, it will start generating rotating verification codes. Return to the BambooHR setup page in your browser and click Next. You'll be asked to enter a code from your Authenticator app. Open the app, find the new BambooHR entry, and type the current 6-digit code into the field on the BambooHR page. These codes refresh every 30 seconds, so enter it promptly. If a code fails, wait for the next one to appear and try again. Ensuring your phone's time is set automatically can also prevent mismatches. Finally, click Continue to complete the setup. You should see confirmation that two-step login with an Authenticator app is now active. From now on, when you sign in, you'll open your Authenticator app and use the code shown for BambooHR. If BambooHR offers backup or recovery codes during this process, store them securely in a safe place. That's it, your account is now much more secure.